Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to find drafts on X on your iPhone. So let's open X, and you want to start a new post by tapping the plus sign button in the bottom right corner of your screen. And now look at the top right corner of your screen. Usually next to post button you will see drafts button. But please note that if you don't have any saved drafts, this button will simply not appear. So let's press it, and this will open a list of all your saved posts. So let's tap the draft that you want to continue working on, and you can continue editing it and finally post it by tapping post button in the top right. So that's how you can find drafts on X on your iPhone. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.